All right, today we're gonna do a video of a 2017 Hyundai Wia L400C big bore. Machine is equipped with an 18-inch chuck. It also has a 6.5-inch bar capacity and a 7.1-inch through hole through the spindle. You have a Hyundai Wia Fanuc I series control. Spindle's running currently in the low range at 100 RPM. That's 250 in the low range. The machine is equipped with a gearbox. We're going to shift now. Coming to a stop. Going to shift. That's 250 in the middle range. That's 500 RPM. I'm going to step it up a little further. That's 750. Stop, we'll do the tool setter. So Renishaw tool setter works on all four sides. Here's your tailstock over here. It's got a programmable tow-along tailstock. Engages a shot pin. Allows you to move the tailstock. Put the pin back in. Just jog the axes. That's your Z axis. Nice and quiet. You have your X, also nice and quiet. You have a 12-position turret. Everything you see mounted goes with the machine. I'm just going to index the turret. And that about does it. The machine's presently wired for 220 volts. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.